Casey as a dad?
Super hands-on. As in, I'm very, very lucky kasi I know of so many other dads na takot tumawag ng baby or para gusto nila yung mom na lang yung mag-alaga. So, he has been very hands-on and it's very helpful kasi wala pa kaming yaya. We only have a night nurse at night para makatulog ako. So, pupunta na lang ako per room to breastfeed. Pero yung patulog, burp, lahat yung night nurse. So, daytime, nakakabaliw talaga kasi from morning to afternoon, kakain, iiyak, pupulot at lahat, the works. Susukahan ka lahat, wiwiwian ka. And then by the time he gets home from training, he knows and sees na pagod na ako. Siya naman, kahit pagod siya from training, he takes her, he burps her, puts her to sleep. So, sobrang na-appreciate ko yun. Change diapers, lahat talaga ginagawa. So, joke ko nga siya na, I bet if dads could make pa-breastfeed themselves, I'm sure gagawin yun.
Pero good for the baby yun kasi sabi nga yung first 2 years, formative years. Tapos kayo yung nakikita lagi.
Yes. So, sana kayanin. Nakakabaliw pala talaga. But, I take na lang the advice of my friends.